The numbers we see on the electrode tell us more than one thing. In this video, I'll explain step by step what the numbers on the electrode mean in a clear and simple way. The first two digits we see on the electrode show us how resistant the weld metal is to tension. So, while the weld metal formed by an E6013 electrode provides a minimum of 60,000 psi strength, the weld metal formed by an E7018 electrode provides a minimum of 70,000 psi strength. That's why E7018 electrodes are preferred for jobs requiring high strength. The third digit on the electrode shows us which welding position the electrode should be used in. For example, the number 1 in an E6013 electrode shows that it can be used in flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead positions. If the number were 2 instead of 1, it could only be used in flat and horizontal positions. If the number were 4, it would show that this electrode is suitable for welding from top to bottom, especially in the vertical position. The last number on the electrode is quite important, because this number shows the electrode's coating type and which polarity it should be used with. 0, cellulose-coated electrode. The E6010 electrode is an example of this. It's generally used for the root passes of pipes. It provides very deep penetration. It has low slag. In root passes, direct current electrode negative polarity is used. In fill passes, direct current electrode positive polarity is used. It's not suitable for alternating current. 1. Cellulose-coated electrode. The E6011 electrode is an example of this. It provides deep penetration. Its arc is strong. It's generally used for root passes, maintenance, and on dirty, rusty surfaces. It's suitable for alternating current and direct current electrode positive polarity. 2. Rutile-coated electrode. The E6012 electrode is an example of this. It provides medium penetration. Its arc is softer. It's generally used on thin sheets in horizontal and flat positions. It's suitable for alternating current and direct current electrode negative polarity. 3. Rutile-coated electrode. The E6013 electrode is an example of this. The arc is soft, it has low spatter, and the slag is easy to clean. It's generally used on thin materials for repair work and in general fabrication welding. It's suitable for alternating current, direct current electrode positive and direct current electrode negative polarity. 4. Rutile-coated electrode. The E7014 electrode is an example of this. Since it contains iron powder, the weld metal deposition rate is higher. It's generally used for fast filling, general fabrication, and mass production welding. It's suitable for alternating current, direct current electrode positive and direct current electrode negative polarity. 5. Basic coated electrode. The E7015 electrode is an example. It creates a tougher and stronger weld metal. It's generally used for high-strength jobs, thick materials, and critical welds. It is suitable for direct current electrode positive polarity. 6. Basic coated electrode. The E7016 electrode is an example. It's generally used for high-strength jobs, welding steel structures, and thick materials. It is suitable for alternating current and direct current electrode positive polarity. 7. Iron oxide and iron powder coated electrode. E6027 or E7027 electrodes are examples. The deposition rate is high and it leaves more weld metal. It's generally used for filling welds of thick parts in flat and horizontal positions. It can be used with AC, DC electrode negative and DC electrode positive. 8. Basic coated electrode. The E7018 electrode is an example. It's generally used in steel constructions for jobs requiring pressure and strength. It is suitable for alternating current and direct current electrode positive polarity. 9. Ilmenite-coated electrode. The E6019 electrode is an example. It provides medium penetration and the arc character is more controlled. It is not very common in daily use. It is suitable for AC, DC electrode positive and DC electrode negative polarity. In this video, we explained what the numbers on the electrode mean step by step, clearly and simply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more stick welding training. See you in the next video.